Hey everyone, it's Wednesday of our 1 week meal plan. And today we're making egg roll in a bowl. We can use any type of meat that we choose. We can use ground sausage, chicken, turkey, pork, ground beef. So whatever meat you choose for today's prep, you want to make sure that that meat is thoroughly thawed to use tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to be making chicken pesto pasta. So for that prep, if that chicken is frozen, we want to make sure that we take that to the fridge today so that it's thoroughly thawed to use tomorrow. So for our egg roll in a bowl recipe, we want to have that meat, gather that up along with a small onion, 3 carrots, some cabbage, green onions, our garlic, ginger, chicken broth, coconut aminos, apple cider vinegar, some sesame oil, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. So this meal is really simple. You just take a large skillet, heat some oil in it, put in your preferred meat that you're using, and brown that for 5 to 7 minutes. You're going to remove that from the pan and then add your onion with the sesame oil. Saute that until the onion is tender. Then add your carrots, your garlic, ginger, and let this cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're going to return your meat back to the pan and add the chicken broth, stirring that well, and then add your cabbage, your coconut aminos, the apple cider vinegar, and then salt and pepper this dish to your taste and liking. Then stir this until well combined and then cover the mixture for another 15 minutes or until the cabbage is tender. Then you can simply garnish it with some sliced green onions and serve it over some cauliflower or white rice. Some cheese ragoons is also really good with this dish. And so when I'm making egg roll in a bowl, I'll often have some leftover cabbage when I buy an entire head of cabbage. So what I like to do is make an egg roll in a bowl packet for the freezer. So I slice up the remaining cabbage, add another onion and some carrots, and then put this packet in the freezer, and then I can just pull that out for another night to make an easy, less mess meal just by adding the meat and the seasoning. So now it's time to get cooking. Once you make this dish, post a picture using the hashtag #TheRollHomeRecipes on social media and also tag myself. And we'll see you tomorrow night for the chicken pesto pasta.